In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact list in Mailjet. First, sign into your Mailjet account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and hover over or click Contacts, then choose Contact Lists. This is where all your lists live, and it's the best place to organize who you're emailing. Next, click the Create a Contact List button. You'll be asked to name your new list. Choose something clear and descriptive so you and your team can instantly recognize its purpose, like newsletter subscribers or event attendees. Good names make it easier to manage multiple lists later on. Now you'll decide how to populate the list. You have 3 choices. You can upload a file in CSV, TXT, or RTF format, which is ideal if you're moving contacts from another tool or spreadsheet. Make sure your file is cleanly formatted, with 1 contact per row and clear column headers like email and first name. You can paste contacts manually, which works well for smaller batches you already have on hand. Or, you can create an empty list if you plan to add contacts later, either one by one or automatically through integrations. If you choose to upload or paste contacts, Mailjet will prompt you to match each column to a contact property. Properties are the fields Mailjet uses to store data about each person, like their email address, first name, or any custom detail you track. Carefully map each column to the correct property so your data is accurate. If a property doesn't exist yet, you can create a new one on the spot, keeping naming consistent and easy to understand for future campaigns and personalization. Before you finish, review the data you're importing and confirm you have permission to contact these people. Check the box to accept the Mailjet sending policy, the I certify that statement. This is an important compliance step that helps protect your sender reputation and ensures you're only emailing people who have opted in. When everything looks good, click Create List to finalize. Mailjet will create your list and, if you imported contacts, process the data right away. You'll see your new list appear under Contact Lists, ready to use in campaigns or automations. If you created an empty list, you can return later to add contacts manually or connect an integration to sync them automatically. That's it. You've created a clean, well-organized contact list in Mailjet, setting a solid foundation for reliable, compliant email sending.